So the town I'm living in is under a boil water advisory, meaning there was E. coli in the water and we have to boil our water from our faucets before we consume it. But this little stinker is still begging me to turn on the water so she can drink from it because she's a bit of a spoiled brat and doesn't want to drink out of the cat cat water dish like a normal cat. Oh, and of course, her brother has to be begging for it too. I hope they fix our water soon. Those two are mother and son, by the way. Finally decided to give it a try. Okay.